Yes, thanks, Hazel. Well, the crucible is all theirs now. All eyes. Players who, you know, come in here playing a great champion like Ronnie, and of course, no noise, no distractions from the other table.
It makes it a lot easier for everyone, in fact, because it's so tight with two tables. Referee. He went the other side, so. But your line, Ken, was a good idea also.
Didn't get the first connection right, but needs to slow up, otherwise he might have left the pot into this right corner pocket. Needs to, quickly.
Missed one like that in the opening frame, I think it was. It was even easier than that. A new player.
One.
Brain working overtime.
Six. Seven.
He made that look. Well, he's gone a little bit too
12.
far with that. That
13.
red's going to block the pink. He played for the pink, and look where the red's gone. What a recovery that is. And there's plenty more to come here. Frame before
21.
the mid-session interval. It's looking good again for the Rocket.
What it was, cue ball would have been lost up into the bulk area. He wouldn't have been on that red into the left centre. Back
29.
in prime position, and he's off again. It's just the rapidity as well of what she plays, Dennis. Frame is nearly over.
37.
Yeah, the current world champion, Zhao Xingtong. Quick and fluent. I mean, the first two frames, just over 11 and 13 minutes. Doesn't.
45.
Yeah, there's an air of electricity, isn't there, around Ronnie when he's a couple of reds after this with colours.
$66. 67.
They're watching a genius at work.
75.
Not going to be easy.
$83.
But not. Lots of side. And he's played it. And he's played it nice.
That
90.
shot with all that side on it to knock the pink in, it's hard to tell you how difficult that is. And look at this shot. Tree prick. Incredible.
98.
And we talked what sort of form he was in. Was he a little bit rusty? He's certainly not rusty whatsoever. Those questions. What a player.
Will you hear this? He's made 1,326 centuries.
Oh, shame about the yellow. Well,